Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Musical Kinetics. And yeah, my MXL 770 shock mount, it finally wasn't giving me any results, so I took it out, and apparently it's this long piece, and look at it already, all frail and tired. And I was looking for resources on how to change the shock mount, and I said I was going to make a current video to show you how to do it so that you can get the best results possible. So one thing you need to realize is that this shock mount is not centered. So if I do this, where is it? Okay, I'm trying to do it the best way possible. So if you see it like this, it's not going to be in the center. The levers, this clicky things. So I used to try and make it like this, but it doesn't work best like this. It works kind of best like this when it's at an angle, if that makes sense. This is from the bottom. So first thing first, what we're going to do is that we are going to, let me try and take this out. I think they made it in such a way it's going to be hard to take out. And I think that's okay. Let's angle it for the best results. The first thing we are going to do, new bands. I luckily had new bands. I think they came in my MXL case. If not, it was in another microphone I got. So with the new bands, I put this one on top. Let's go. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I was gonna just do this thing by myself, but I was like, yeah, others might need videos about this too, so make their lives easier. So that's why I'm making this video. So now I do the same thing at the bottom. And for your particular shock mount, another nice thing to do is to always go and check the manual, or rather check online for videos, or rather even better still, check for the picture of what your own shock mount looks like when it's mounted. Some of them you have to really pull to get them in. Like this one was always a problem. There you go. There's some that are really tight, and these are actually the best ones, but actually the hardest to change. But yeah, that one was hard for me to take off, and it's hard for me to get back on. And so the shock mount is almost completely done. At this point, I want to align it the way I want to see it. Right now it's in the center, but maybe if I just want to take it out there. So right now it's I can off center it like this. Should I do the other way? No, off center it like this. So you see how freely it's moving. So now that I have it like a diamond kind of shape. Let me explain the diamond shape like this. You get that? I think this is the direction I want to do it. So okay, let's get this done, shall we? Put this in, just like a puzzle. I thought the top pieces and the bottom pieces were different, but what you end up having to do is that put all the top pieces on top and all the bottom pieces at the bottom, and that is how you get it. And of course some of them will come loose, which is okay. Redo them and they stick. So far I have a good looking top. Let me do the bottom the same way, Higgins bottom. And 1, 2, see how this one just came out. 1, 2, the ones I know that won't come out are the hardest ones for sure that I put in. And 4, let me make sure nothing else is out. And voila, where's the top? Oh, this is the top, interesting. I don't even know what the top is anymore. It's so freely moving. I don't even know what the top is anymore. Anyway, and my stuff has come apart again. So I tighten it up. Any ones that loosen off, of course, tighten. Maybe use a plier to tighten this point, but I don't think I want to do that because it's okay. Is it equal? I think it's equal. Interesting. Okay, or like this. Okay, so I tighten it right here. And voila, there you go. Shock mount. Let me get the microphone and put it on. So right now we have our MXL770 microphone in great condition. Low pass filters rolled on, roll it off, 0 dB. The pad is off, and I mean that doesn't matter at all. I'm just talking. So I open it, I press, and I insert, and voila, shock mount. This was a problem for me for like 6 months. So if you're having issues like this, I advise you change your shock mount bands often, because mine were terrible for a while, and I just left them hoping that I will never have to change them. But now that I have changed them, I'm feeling a lot more happy with my microphone. So yeah, that's it. That's for this video. Thank you for watching. Check out some other content we have about other musical products. Okay, have a wonderful day. God bless.